So hello guys, welcome back. Okay, today I will show you how to tackle this type of question in your blue book exam or in your real SAT as well, because this question is very repeating in exams. So let's review the question first. To identical rectangular prism each have a height of 90 cm. The base of prism is square. Okay, the surface area of each prism is K. Okay, each prism is K. Okay, let's draw this here. So let's suppose this identical prism with a square base. Okay, let's do this. Okay, and mm, I want to say you that this, right, this area and this area and this area and this area all are same because all are square, right? So I would say it x or side, so it will be x square, and it will be x square, it will be x square, so it will be 2x square, right? I want to teach you how to calculate surface area. So it is 2x square, so it is height, right? It is height, this is height, so this is height and x, so it will be hx, right? It will be hx, this thing, uh, this thing will be hx, right? Hx. So if this is hx, this is hx, this is uh, there are four hx, right? Because height and x, hx, the area, right? So 4hx plus what is it? X square, x square, 2x square will be the surface area of one prism, right? So let's write. Or you can just write it down here also because we are using Desmos because Desmos is very good. Okay, this and it will be um, x square, it will be 2x square, 2x square, right? So and it will be 4. So this is the key. This is the value of key, right? So and if prism are glued together along a square base, okay, okay, what it is saying, let me show you. So it is saying that this prism, right, this prism and this prism are glued together, okay. So this goes and directly this. So here like this, okay. If both are glued together, then it will be like something like this, right? So yeah. So then what will be minus? So this will be all same, right? All same. This will be 2k, 2k. But the thing is, this this base and this base, upper base, right, will be minus because they will be glued together, and it will not be the imposing side, right? It won't see, so we can't add in total surface area because total surface area which we can see, right? So this we have to minus or just easily find out. This is x square as usual, this is x square as usual, and it is the hx, there are 4hx here and there are 4hx here. So what will it be? 2x square plus, okay, let's write here, uh, 2x square and plus this is hx, and there are 8 side like this, here 4, here 4, so it will be 8 at hx, right? So 8 into 90x, right? So it is 92 by 47k. Okay, it is 92 by 47k. So let's write down. Mm, is 92 by 47k, and as we know the value of k, what is k? K is this. So let's copy and go here, paste. So here we got our mm, value, which is 0 and 8, right? 0 and 8. Don't have to see y, we will just will see x, right? X coordinate will see because the y we don't care because there is nothing in y. And So which of the option is zero or k? And I want to say that zero cannot be a length, right? It is not possible. So what will be the answer? It will be 8. So which is option B. So it is that simple, guys.